Emi stood at the edge of the village, lanterns in hand, when she heard a mysterious whisper from the forest.
Emmy, Keeper of Light, we need your help. Will you venture into the woods tonight?
Who are you? What do you need from me?
A great darkness is spreading, and only your light can lead you to the source. Will you trust your lanterns and follow the path?
Oh, I will. My village depends on me. Lead the way, and I will follow.
Thank you, brave Emmy. The journey will be challenging, but remember, the light within you is stronger than any shadow.
Sunshine Squad's magical quest. In the whimsy woods of Wonderdale, where sunbeams filtered through leafy canopies, three friends, Luna Sparkle Song, Casimir Starweaver, and Briar Bloom Bridge, gathered in secret. Their eyes sparkled with excitement as they huddled around a whispered map. Passed down through village tales, the trio stepped into an enchanted glade where flowers bloomed in brilliant colors and butterflies flitted about. Magical creatures peeked out from behind trees, adding a sense of wonder and adventure. A wise old tree with a face carved into its trunk spoke to the friends, giving them a riddle to solve. Its branches swayed gently as it imparted ancient wisdom. Luna, Casimir, and Briar crossed a shimmering stream on stepping stones that lit up with each step. The water glowed with a magical luminescence, reflecting the sunlight. The friends found a hidden cave entrance, concealed by vines and moss. They carefully parted the foliage, revealing a dark, mysterious path inside. Inside the cave, they entered a chamber filled with glowing crystals of various colors. The crystals emitted a soothing hum, and the air was filled with sparkling particles of light. A majestic guardian, a creature made of pure light, emerged from the largest crystal. It acknowledged the friends' bravery and granted them a magical artifact. The trio returned to their village, greeted by cheering villagers. They held up the magical artifact, which radiated light and symbolized their successful quest. The village square was alive with festivities. The friends were celebrated as heroes, with music, dancing, and fireworks lighting up the night sky. As dawn broke, the friends stood together, looking out over Wonderdale. The village was bathed in the golden light of a new day, filled with hope and endless possibilities. The shepherd's courage. Once, there was a boy who became bored when he watched over the village sheep grazing on the hillside. To entertain himself, he sang out, "Wolf, wolf, the wolf is chasing the sheep." When the villagers heard the cry, they ran up the hill to drive the wolf away. But when they arrived, they saw no wolf. The boy was amused when he saw their angry faces. "Don't scream wolf when there is no wolf, boy," the villagers warned. They angrily went back down the hill. Later, the shepherd boy cried out once again, "Wolf, wolf, the wolf is chasing the sheep." To his amusement, the villagers came running up the hill to scare the wolf away. As they saw there was no wolf, they said strictly, "Save your frightened cry for when there really is a wolf. Don't cry wolves when there is no wolf." But the boy grinned at their words while they walked, grumbling down the hill once more. Later, the boy saw around his flock. Alarmed, he jumped on his feet and cried out as loud as he could, "Wolf! Wolf!" But the villagers thought he was fooling them again, and they didn't come to help. At sunset, the villagers went looking for the boy who hadn't returned with their sheep. When they went up the hill, they found him weeping. "There was a wolf here. The flock is gone." I cried out, "Wolf!" "But you didn't come," he wailed. An older man went to comfort the boy. As he put his arm around him, he said, "Nobody believes a liar, even when he is telling the truth."